Keith, and today I'm here with the lovely Megan.
Hey!
That's a really nice shirt.
Thanks. People love compliments.
People love compliments.
Wait, I want another compliment.
Today we have something to talk to you that's very important.
And I think everyone's gonna benefit from this advice.
Flirting. That's cute.
Thanks.
Can't figure out your sexy face?
Maybe you're the person at school who dies just a little bit inside when your crush walks by.
Does this happen to you when you try to talk to your crush? Your hair looks really nice.
I'm sorry, what?
Bears love to eat rice.
Oh, that's weird. I thought they ate like meat and berries and stuff.
They do. They do.
Well, do we have a solution for you?
Here are 5 tips to step up your flirt game. Number 1, eye contact. If anything in the world is more flirty, it's eye contact.
In fact, suggest a staring contest.
Ooh. Number 2, make a reason to talk to them.
Drop a pencil, a book, or a cat, even a sandwich.
Sandwiches.
Oh,
Drop this.
thank you. I'm so.
Hey, don't worry about it. I got it for you.
Thank you
That's
so
right
much.
there.
Oh my god. I'm so. It's lotion.
No,
you
it's
know?
cool. It's cool. I got this.
Compliments.
People love compliments.
People love compliments.
You have really nice arms. People love compliments.
People love condiments.
Your arms are really nice.
Thank you.
You're welcome. See, people love compliments.
Your eyes are so pretty.
My mom says the same thing.
I was talking to your mom.
Oh, hey, Mom. Number 4, don't forget to smile.
Smile. And last but not least, number 5. Don't forget to flirt by text.
LOL, RFOL,
That's what those emojis are for. Kissy face.
hamburger face.
Ah, no. I just text you.
Okay, guys, so those are the top 5 tips I have for you to step up your flirt game.
Leave a comment down below and let us know if you have any tips or if this video actually helped you.
And we also did a really cool collab over on Megan's channel.
Click anywhere on my face to view it or the links down below.
Alright, so that's all I have for you guys today. So, have a good day, make good choices, and peace be with you.
And that's how you flirt.